Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of Complete Guide to Windows 10. In the previous video I had shown you how to create a bootable USB drive. Using that drive, today I will show you how you can install the genuine Windows 10. Don't skip any part of the video, otherwise you will miss the steps. So let's start the video. After you turn on your PC or laptop, select boot option by pressing escape, F2 or F12 or delete button according to your manufacturers to enter into BIOS of your system. Then select the USB drive and press enter key. Wait for few minutes. As this interface comes, select the language, time and currency and keyboard or input method and click next. Click on install now. If you have a product key, then you can enter and continue installation, and if you don't have any product key, then click on I don't have product key, or you can check the description box for the product key. Select the version of Windows you want to install and click next. If you want to upgrade your PC, then you will have to go with the first option, and for the custom installation, select second option and continue. Select the partition in which you want to install and click next. Installation of Windows has started. Wait 15 to 20 minutes for the installation to complete. After the installation is finished, click on Restart Now. Here you will have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes for getting the device ready. Enter your Microsoft account, or you can create a new account. Or if you don't want to log in now, then you can go with offline account. These steps are optional for you. If you want, then you can go with it. Here you select yes. Wait for a few minutes. Now Windows 10 is ready for use. In the next video, I will show you how you can activate the Windows without any product key, no any software required. Thank you for watching the video.